5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Kill the attendant. Get ready to buddy up.
Five,
Run to the right when you get targeted.
3,
Oh, someone stole.
2, 1.
Okay, was it?
Good job. That was very good. Okay, advance time. Remember, it's 6 steps.
Watch, this one's gonna be left.
I got a weak aura for this.
Spoiler.
Seriously?
No.
I got a weak aura. Fuck.
Now that's preparation.
But you guys know I'm way in the back. You guys look great.
No, PK,
Okay,
you
back
look
on the
great.
boss. On Stavros.
3, 2, 1.
Kill the attendant that spawned.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Destruction. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Around Niklas. Kill the attendant. Behind us. Go ahead and kill ads. Make sure healers, like, before the last phase starts is when you're going to want to get a drink in, so
Swap.
make it happen at some point before then. Spread out.
Alright, let's swap back.
Let's push the boss here. That attendant will respawn as soon as we're done with this phase, so just be ready again. I'll res you in 30 PK.
Okay.
Okay, back on Niklas.
I got Frida.
Ready for kicks. Make sure on the attendant actually, sorry.
I just grabbed that one because I wasn't. I think the kick weak was going all along.
On the boss. Just dot up waiters. Resing you PK.
Alright, let's swap.
Watch kick.
There's always a drain essence in between, right?
Probably. I don't know how consistent it
looks
is,
like.
I haven't checked.
I don't think
Finish
so.
off these waiters. Finish off the waiters before the boss pushes, please. Finish off waiters. Save your cooldowns here, because we're gonna less soon. So if you guys use any cooldowns, like, in the past minute, then you probably used them wrong. Kill the attendant real quick before we push. Kill the attendant before we push. need to kill these servants before we push too. Kill the servants. Kill all the dredgers.
Nicholas is just gonna fall over.
Okay, we can push the boss while killing these. Once you guys start spreading out.
I stole that from you, Rando. Can you get?
No,
where did
I
you waste?
I went at the same time.
Go on the
Somebody else
shamans.
their
Get the
notes.
next interrupt on Frida.
Less.
I can do it.
Actually, I can get it. I'm good. It's good. It's good.
Remember, every time you're taking damage, you're gonna start dropping pools on the floor, so just watch your feet. Oh my god, fucking well up well. I push to talk made me do that. Spread out, defensives, and then just watch your feet. Just sidestep a little bit after for the pools. Push the boss before she does the next big ability. Use soul spikes, watch your feet, watch your feet, watch your feet. I'm gonna spawn a lot of pools here. Okay, cool. It resets the floor, that's good. Okay, just do the dance and then this fight's literally over. Like, we're already done. We do that one more time and we're done. Just kill it here, please. I wanna do Heroic Sludge Fist really bad. On the next big AoE that happens, where we all have to spread out, I want everyone to use any immunities, defensives, like just literally use everything you have to just stabilize yourself. And if you have ramp available, just do it before this prideful eruption.
I can ramp right now if you want.
Yeah, I don't know when she's gonna cast it, but just start doing it now. So I think the timer's off. Remember everything you guys have to survive. Yeah, this boss literally fucking dies right now. Just spread out.
Can someone
Spread
get?
out. Just pop everything you have. Sidestep the pool. Kill the boss. Nice job.
Nicely done.
Way to go, guys.
Nice.
GG's.
Team Green. Team Green.